example, you may place your procedures in the library and later using another program. Debugging is easier if the well written, if it will done one and only one thing, in making easier to check. Lower mechanisms of if you have the same codes spread along your code, you have to remember where it is located and fix, so at least cut and paste it several times. Greater understanding, since the procedure is well defined and documented, someone instruction won't to have to scroll through the whole source in the order of the find the code she want. Pascal disadvantages. Slower the C++ ASM, not nearly as much support. Most compilers are 16-bit, not 32-bit. Object-oriented programming is not natively supported, and mainly the compilers are way behind the C++ compilers. FoxPro. FoxPro is a very powerful database management system. It is integrated development environment allowed programmers language. It is both an interpreter and true compiler. As interrupt language, it is translated each command into computer instruction as it is executes translation times most possibility during loops. A compiler improves performance by translating command to machine instruction just one. It replaces commands such as print or list with block of machine code. This compiled program runs fast than interrupts code. FoxPro support arithmetic functions such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It also provides special mathematical and financial functions. The main screen combines a menu bar across the loops lines with the command prompt environment based on the command windows. FoxPro opens the command windows at the beginning of each session. Commands enters into the execute immediately. FoxPro advantages. VFP is fully object-oriented, can create class and subclass and inheritance. Extremely fast, the fast I have seen, and in most cases faster than MS SQL. Extremely great with the data manipulation, easy to use and program. Access database without other means like ODBC or SQL strings. Client server COM. ActiveX communication with Office XML web servers. Handle lot of records up to 1 billion records or 2 GB per file. Handle lot of useful at once. Very easy to improvement and export. Easy to re-index. You can easily use FoxPro with SQL or other heavy data storage softwares. FoxPro disadvantages. There is no way to tell the Fox that it should only use variables that have been declared. Use an uncreated variable and the Fox jumps over the creates it. So the variable you meant to assign a value to remain unchanged just because of time mistakes and option excepts like VB would be very welcome. It is next to impossible to create a program that works as well in interrupt module as compile to execute mode. So using the debugging is almost possible. This is mean coding a lot of tracing or machine box. They have been removed before go live. That is bad and worst day of work. Fortran versus Pascal. Fortran doesn't use assignments with. Common data are trended differently. Argument association is differently. Fortran programs are usually less well structured than Pascal program. Arrays in Fortran have to be assigned value using an exit loops. Mixing of integrates and following pointers numbers implemented differently. Blank are not suggestions. They punched card oriented with Fortran can still give some problems. Fortran has separate compilation. Fortran manage national characteristic in commas and output. Fortran does not have while and repeat. Fortran did not get if, then, else, end, if until 1978. Pascal versus Foxpo. Pascal is a structured programming language. Foxpo language is used to implement the databases. Pascal was the primary high-level language used for the development in Apple Lisa and in the early years of the Mac. Parts of the original Macintosh operating systems. Foxpo support arithmetic functions such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, same as the Pascal. Fortran versus Foxpo. Fortran is a early generation programming language. Foxpo is a present generation programming language. Fortran uses lot of conventional mathematical notations. Foxpo uses more efficient GUI application than it is easy to use programmers. Fortran does not support any keywords. Foxpo can implement databases with lot of keywords. Now we think you can get some idea about what is a programming language, why programming language, why different generations, what are the basic concepts in computer languages, difference between computer languages. Thank you.